Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 30th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked out here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the euro yen very, very, very sideways. If you actually zoom out a little bit on the yen pairs on the 1 hour time frame, you can actually see how choppy and sideways this market really has been. But because of the higher time frames, because the higher time frames are definitely still in an uptrend, I would still be recommending longs. I would be looking for any breaks of structure to the upside to go long. Any place I saw like a nice engulfing move to the upside, a nice engulfing break of structure, I would definitely continue to look for longs. My bias on the higher time frames is still that we are going to go up and make a wave three of wave C. If you go all the way up to the daily time frame, you can kind of see what I mean. If it does go up and make a wave three of wave C, I would potentially be targeting a very high fib level, maybe even all the way up to like the 168 to maybe even 171 area. So we'll see if that's how it actually works out. I mean, it's been very sideways for several weeks now, but I definitely, because of the higher time phase, would still be recommending longs every single chance I get. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.